Welcome friends, welcome to Online Learning Box. Hi, I am Karthik and Karthik Datta from India. I'm an artist. So this is my illustrations, and these illustrations actually you can put in t-shirts. This is a funny kind of illustrations, funny smiling man, smiling businessman, you can say. This illustrations actually you can called a story by these illustrations, and if you put it in t-shirts or sticker or put and stick to your books or anything else, it looks very nice and funny. So see this, and you can go with new brushes and strokes. You can change these strokes. This is a very simple illustrations and cartoonized face. So actually you can draw anything else, anything imaginative, and actually cartoon is a very simple art form, and simplicity is a beauty. So I think in this cartoon form you can make more creative, put more creative, imaginative and anything else. So see, this is actually art is kind of a form that tell you about life, about your daily experience with human beings, different type of cultures. Okay, so in this cartoonized form I actually illustrate the beautiful mind of human beings. So be happy and see. Actually I will change this border, this black border into a this black border, and go to the and put it to the back of this layer. So okay, and in the sessions actually I'm not doing so much tricky things. Actually this is simple and it's a funny type of illustrations and cute also. So see, this is a smiling face and a little bit of love sign here. So let's give me great effects. So okay, change the strokes, and when you give this type of illustrations or put it into a t-shirts or anything else, please always put or keep in your mind that always expand this all of strokes and break it into the strokes, or if you put any text or anything else like that, so you can expand all of these things, because when you synchronize a small and big size, make it a big size, it cannot be break. Okay, same as it when you enlarge it or give a small things. Okay, there is a air part. Okay, no, I'm not happy with this strokes, so I'm give it a very little and put it back and group it in one. Okay, change a little bit of color here, so a little bit of lighter, maybe give a great look. So okay, this one, and hold alt and reflect it, okay, always preview mode on, okay, then put it back and see, this is a smart guide on, always a smart guide on for giving a symmetric effect. Okay, so this is a make part, okay. And do not give too much detail, because cartoonized form is do not wait for anything detailing, okay, so do not give any detail, because if you give anything detail in cartoonized form, it will smash out the simplicity, it will destroy its simplicity. So see, and always use simple color and one color. And if you give a 3D effect, so when if you want to give a nice 3D effect, always put some white tone in the border side, okay. See, actually this is a nice guy, and you can put some text if you like to put some text, okay. See, and if you think that this is a beauty, and this, see what I'm telling you, this white border, let's give a very 3D type of effect, okay. And this is a hair part, and black, okay, and just rotate it and everything in back, send it to back layer. So let's see, this is a nice funny illustrations of a man, of a businessman, you say, okay. If you think this is a very nice video and helpful also, please give me a thumbs up, it's give me inspirations for next video, and okay, and please wait for the next video.